Hey guys, Bruno with REIKA Wheels. Today we are here to show you the brand new R35V Super Single set for the Mercedes-Benz 3500 dually vans. All right, so we'll start off with the satin black set right here. This is the Super Single rear that eliminates running two wheels in the rear of that 3500 van. The bolt pattern is a 6-on-205. We included some knurling on both bead seats here, so it'll help out with keeping that tire in the bead and not debeading as fast as you would or as quickly as you would with a non-knurled bead seat. This is what the rear of the wheel looks like. We'll move on to the front. This is the front wheel right here. All wheels are rated at 4,400 pounds. The knurled bead seats on this wheel as well. And here we have probably the coolest feature of this whole setup right here is this universal spare. We designed this spare to be ran on the front, so this would be facing out, or you can actually face it the other way and now it becomes your rear wheel. These are also marked with spare on this mounting surface. And we did that with a reason. We didn't want you guys to be running this wheel for long periods of time. You know, it's more to get you in and out of a trail if you do get a flat, or you're going to work, or you're on the way to your trip and you get a flat tire. You don't have to carry two different spares anymore or a single steel wheel. Now you can carry a aluminum wheel that matches the rest of your wheels, and it looks just as good. All right, so now let's move on to the most popular finish. This is the bronze. These are all the same specs, the same kits, 2 fronts, 2 rears, 1 spare, a lug kit, all rated at 4,400 pounds. These do meet or exceed DOT standards. We had a lot of questions about DOT testing. They all meet or exceed those standards. So these wheels were also designed with big brake kits in mind. These vehicles can go upwards of 10 to 12,000 pounds. And obviously with all that weight, you do need more stopping power. And there was nothing in the market for a 16-inch wheel, so we designed it to be a 17-inch wheel, and it works with a Rotora big brake kit as well. I'll point out one more thing on this universal spare that we designed. So obviously these vans are all 6 lugs, so 6x205 is the bolt pattern. Our spare actually has 12 different holes. This one's gonna have a countersink, so you're gonna have 6 of them on this side here. So when you see the countersink on the outside, like this right now, this is your front spare. When you flip it the other way, now your countersink holes, you got 6 of them here, so now it's a rear spare. So always keep that in mind when you do run this wheel. You don't wanna put the lug nuts on this hole here. You always want to be running it on the countersink. But that's it right there. So these wheels are available now. If you guys have been waiting for these and you know they're going to fit your vehicle, you can shop on the website. It is reikawheels.com. If you are not sure about fitment or tire sizes, any questions you may have, I'm going to drop my email in the section below. You guys can just grab it from there, shoot me an email, and I'll be more than glad to help you guys out. All right, so there we have it. Thank you guys for watching. Thanks for supporting. If you guys are running these wheels on your vans, please shoot us an email with these photos. We'd love to feature you on social media. See you guys out there.